Today I'm going crazy for cranberries. I'm in a cranberry marsh here in Wisconsin. Welcome to Rooted in Red. It just so happens to be harvest season. This doesn't happen all year round. So cranberries actually grow in a sandy soil. So there are vines underneath these bogs. Here in Wisconsin we say marshes. And then they fill the marsh full of water.
This machine drives through and loosens the berries from the vine. Did you know cranberries are hollow in the center?
The cranberries float to the top. These guys are collecting all of the cranberries, putting them in a big pool and processing them. So lots of action today. So we are going inside a cranberry bog.
Ready to cranberry.
Let's go.
So you wear these funky little shoe pants. Okay, ready? I'm suited up. One foot in front of the other. Whoa. This is incredible. It's cold in here. I feel like I'm floating. Everything's floating around me. I feel weightless. This is crazy. These are fresh cranberries. Ah, spider! There was a spider in my hand. It's just such an adventure. I have always wanted to come to a cranberry marsh. You really get the picture of how it's made. It's a big process, but anyone can come here. This place is so picturesque. I love it.